Welcome back to another episode of the Always Improving Garage. In this one, we're going to be talking about using 3D printing to help improve toolbox organization. I've done this before, but this is the first time I've actually posted a video of it. In the past, I've made these ratchet holders before. I did not design this, I just printed them off. You can see there it shows the drive size. And on the bottom, it's even got a magnet to help keep it in place. In this video, we're going to be talking about a system called Gridfinity. So this is my extension drawer before. As you can see, there's really no organization besides just trying to keep things by general drive and length sort of together, but really nothing to keep anything in place. So I came across the system here, Gridfinity. I did not design the system or anything like that. So give credit where it's due. Just showing you guys what I'm doing here. So it has these base plates that you print off first, and you can print them in pretty much any size you want, as long as your printer can print that big. And then what I'm using is these bins, which you can also print in pretty much any configuration that you want. As you can see here, this one's a 1x3, and they'll drop right in there, the base plate. So I'm going to show you guys a time lapse of the 3D printer making some of these parts, and we'll be right back. I don't know about you guys, but I love watching time lapses of 3D prints. Okay, so how did it turn out? There you go. Here's where I'm at so far. So one thing I've noticed, it's mostly to do with these longer extensions. As you can see here, what I have, this is a 1x6 bin. It's got open ends on both sides. That's just the biggest one my printer can do with what I have at the moment. So what I'm thinking about doing is seeing if I can print another bin where it just has one open end here, and then the other side a closed end. And I think that should be a solution for these longer extensions. So what do you guys think about this? I think it turned out pretty sweet. Definitely looking forward to using this for more projects. That's going to do it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, thanks for watching.